Mike.
I'm Becky.
And this is a late night edition of the Mike and Becky show.
This looks like we're in a bus terminal.
It does, but we are not. We are in a ferry boat crossing Lake Champlain. Feels like it's midnight, but it's only 9 o'clock at night. But, we had a little mishap earlier today. Got the keys locked in the car, so we had to wait for an hour and a half at the Vermont Welcome Center. Welcome to Vermont, you know. And now we're leaving Vermont. So
now we're leaving Vermont.
So we will remember Vermont, even though it was a short trip through there. We will definitely remember Vermont.
Anyways, we are soon to be in Plattsburgh, New York. So we just wanted to do a quick video and tell everybody where we were at.
Yep.
This is the first for me that I get to ride on a car ferry.
Yep.
Not like ferry.
Yes. It shows that we really do it out on the deck, but number one, there's nothing to see. And number two, it's freezing cold. So you maybe hear the kids in the background. There's like 5 kids in the back there. They're jumping around for joy. But it's pretty dark out there, so.
It's probably past their bedtimes. They're almost past their bedtimes.
But we hope to see Lake Champlain in the morning.
And probably by the time that we get to Plattsburgh, it'll be our bedtime. So
Yeah.
have a good evening.
Hi. Hey, it's Mike and Becky again, and we're on the boat crossing Lake Champlain again. I believe that's our landing. You see it over there, so
I just heard the engines kind of cut out.
Yep.
So we got to get back to the car.
All right. So this is it, and there's beautiful Lake Champlain. It's all black.
But the lights are back on.
Talk to you later.